Naidi Hills offers a peaceful view of rolling greens and the famous Basco Lighthouse, creating a scene that feels like a real-life postcard. The statue of Pacita stands proudly above the cliffs, surrounded by peaceful views of rolling hills and the quiet beauty that makes Batanes feel timeless. We see the beauty of Mount Carmel Chapel standing peacefully on the hill with a beautiful view. Eating in Vunong Jessica's place was a warm and authentic experience, filled with rich flavors and comforting local dishes.